I'm so sorry about that last shipment.
Mistakes happen.
Not a whole kilo, man. It's fucking embarrassing. I mean, I've never been light before. Not so much as a gram with anyone, ever.
Why would I claim I got shorted?
Hard, you know, a man's heart. Come on now. How did you know the shortage was on my end?
I know because my guy told me. And I trust my guy, Danny.
And why do you trust Danny, man?
We grew up together.
It's adorable.
Jimmy, I'm sorry, Jim. Danny, Jimmy,
What did you do?
Tell him.
Tell him.
I swiped Keene, man. I had to get right with Burns' people.
We knew it wasn't us.
I had no idea.
He told me that.
All right, no! Oh, okay.
Beanbag.
Okay. He clipped the key. Okay? Here's the key. And a second. For your trouble. Okay.
Not a beanbag.
And a third for our friendship.
You know, this isn't just about the money.
Oh, come on. Nothing's just about money, but they mostly are.
He stole from me.
No, he stole from me. I'd already paid you. I came here today to be compensated if there had been some kind of mistake, but there wasn't. Just this asshole stealing from me.
But blaming me.
No, I never blamed you. I did Shut the fuck up!
Raj.
This guy, I've known him since first grade. He's like family. Be like if you were asked to give up your own brother. No matter what, could you do it?
You still have half the bag. My family would be worth the whole bag.
I think we come from different types of family.
So you're saying his life is only worth 3 kilos?
His life is worth 3 times what you lost because you lost nothing.
It's only worth 3 kilos!
Yes, okay! His life is only worth 3 kilos to me!
All I ask of the people I do business with is their authentic self. Nice to see you, Jimmy. You can use the cart to transport that young rascal to the car.